Hi everyone. So if you can hear traffic, sorry. I'm just in a different location area. Can you see it? There we go. Basically it's the dining room area. Just because this is actually a little bit better this lighting than in my bedroom. Sorry, there's like something on the screen. Anyway, so this week is the back to school week and neighbors and plane. Can you hear it? I don't even live near a freaking airport and there's planes. But yeah, but this week is the back to school week kind of theme going on. And basically, if you do or do not know, I don't attend school anymore. I've finished school. I've also finished TAFE, which is aka college in some countries. So yeah, so I did. So I'm not going to do. If I can talk properly, not going to do the tag that Hannah did this week just because um since because I don't go to school no more. So yes. Anyway, and I also was going to do a makeup tutorial, but my skin is actually really irritated around these signs. Do you like how the lighting changes? Wow. I don't know why it does that. But yeah, so basically I was gonna do a tutorial, but my skin's really irritated. I'm not gonna put any makeup on there. I do have a little bit of makeup, which is my under eyes and mascara and brows. And that's all. So yes. Anyway, so let's talk about high school. I don't know what really is there to talk about. And all like my high school, I'm only gonna talk about high school experience. Primary school is just a whole different other topic. And primary school is pretty okay. Okay to good. So high school. Basically, in the first 2 years, grade 8 and grade 9, I got bullied and all that kind of stuff, which wasn't fun and all. And also, I wasn't in a set group. Some of you guys know, you have your like little cliques and all that kind of stuff. I didn't have any of my cliques yet. So I was just floating between different groups. So I knew a lot of people because they were my class and all that kind of stuff. And they'll go, "Hey, come sit with us at lunchtime." And I'm like, "Yeah, sure." So I would go sit with them and all that kind of stuff. But they weren't really like genuine friends. So yeah. So I did get picked on, bullied on, um, by a girl, for nearly 2 years, and then she left schools, to move somewhere else, and then yeah, bullying just stopped, and all that kind of stuff. So the last 3 years of my high school years, during that time would be grade 10, grade 11, grade 12. 11 and 12 are senior years. Basically, they were a breeze. I was probably one of the happiest peaks of my life around that time. I was classified as the girl you can hear her laugh like a yard away, basically. Eye track. So I was quite a laugher. I was laughing all the time. I was very, very happy and all that kind of stuff. And during those 3 years, a lot of things were getting to okay to neutral. Around grade 8 and grade 9, when I got bullied, blah, 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 I can't even talk. I got bullied at school and then also at home. There was a lot of home problem issues, parents and stuff, brother, and all that kind of stuff. So around that time, I wasn't doing so well. I didn't have a lot of self esteem, and I was legitimately depressed. Well, clinically depressed. I don't know what you want to call it. So I did go through depression around that stage, and then once like the girl who bullied me, left, it kind of faded. It didn't really like stay like my depression, but it was still there. Because with depression, sure you can say I got rid of it, but technically you didn't because like once you get it, you can always get it back again because it's life. Like there's the super highs, and there's crap days which will bring you all the way down low, or crap weeks, crap months, that kind of stuff. So yeah, but yeah, basically my high school experience, high school life was pretty chill, except for the first 2 years and all kind of stuff. And if you want to know what type of person I was, and since I've told you guys that I was kind of the girl who always laughed a lot, who was always happy, very laughy, and all, I was, yeah, probably just very, very bubbly person at high school. I still am, but it's definitely toned down quite a fair bit. I think it's just, like maturity levels go like this, and then they're like, okay, go back to neutral net here. So that kind of stuff. Yeah. But yeah, anyway, so that was just kind of my little high school experience and all that kind of jazz. So, yes. Maybe something a little bit different from everyone else, or very similar to people, or, nothing similar. Who knows? But I just want to let you guys know, especially people who are starting up school. Again, now in Australia, we start up school in January and we don't finish until November, and then we have a break, and then we come back in January. And we don't have that 3-month kind of break part in the middle of the year, which Americans do, which is like summer break or spring break. Don't know. So yeah, we don't have those. We do have holidays, but it's not like 3 months of holidays. It's like 2 weeks of holidays. So yeah, blah blah blah. But basically, for the people who are starting school this year, or even next year, if you do live in Australia and you're starting school next year and all that kind of stuff, and all, it's just to not take everything so seriously. A lot of people took a lot of stuff seriously in high school, even myself included. And in the end, when you finish, you're like, why did I take that so seriously? What was even the point about that? And on that note also, what's it called? That stress. It's called stress. It's called stress. Basically, in high school, you shouldn't stress so much. And I've learnt this over my experience as well. And there's really no point of stressing about high school unless it's usually like med students. Unless you want to be a med student, then yeah, stress all you want. No. But basically, yeah, just like stop stressing. Like, come on, school is not really a big deal. It's just school. Like, sure, you're gonna get your education in there, and or some high schools are really shit. So what's the point of even stressing? But yeah, so that's another one. So just don't stress. It's really pointless. You're gonna get grey hairs like when you're really young and all that kind of stuff. Like, there was a lot of people in my grade who would get a lot of grey hairs. I got one grey hair, which was so fun, but yeah. Yeah, I don't know. What else should I give advice to? Maybe the last one is, relationships. Now, personally, I don't have any experience in this because I've never, had a boyfriend and all that kind of stuff. But with relationships, if you're in high school, relationship high schools are not so much a big deal. So I know it's probably maybe your first love or something like that, but yeah, try not to get so worked up on it, because you still want to focus on school, because if you keep on focusing on them, your grades are going to go down, everything else is going to go down. So, focus on schooling, it's a few more years, and if they are like the one, then they will stick by you, and you will stick by them, and you'll keep freaking like fighting, basically. And if you guys want to know why I just said fighting, it's a Korean term, basically. Basically means like, keep on going, you can do it, basically. Yeah. Not like fighting as, like yelling and screaming and hitting. No, fighting, yeah. So with relationships, don't take them too seriously. Personally, my parents told me don't get into a relationship when you're younger, because you're not mentally prepared or mentally stable in your brain. So maybe, like, how I see it with relationships is, I've totally forgot what it was. Oh, with relationships, you should, if you, yeah, I don't even know what I'm talking about now. Do you know what I'm talking about? Who knows? Who knows? With relationships, basically, focus on yourself before you focus on someone else. If you feel that, you could do better at some other stuff and all. Like, let's say if you don't really like yourself, you hate yourself and all that stuff, work on that. Fix that before you go into a relationship. Don't drag that into a relationship. So, yeah. But also, just high school relationships are really just too much, especially when they break up. It's like so much drama for no reason. But yeah, so try and stay out of relationships if possible. If not, still focus on school and all kind of stuff. Anyway, my brain is like getting scrambled. I have been working on my new projects for the past. Good on. For the past I can't even speak. For the past like 4 or 5 days now. And my brain is like legit frazzled. I just can't think, can't process. But of course, wanted to put a video out for you guys and just letting you guys know about my high school experience, and also just some little tips about, high school and all that kind of stuff. Don't stress too much, or don't even stress. Don't take everything so seriously, and maybe just kind of keep it low key to no partner in high school, because it can be a distraction. And if you really want, if you want to become a doctor and you get a boyfriend or girlfriend and they're really, really distracting, or you're just so distracted by them and all that kind of stuff, which is probably not their fault and all, but you have to put like a little, like, a boundary kind of thing, just going, let's focus on school, and if we were meant to be, we were meant to be. So I don't know. Anyway, brain frazzled. I'm gonna stop because I'm probably not even making any sense anymore. And hopefully next week, I'm hoping next week, like, fingers crossed, that I'll be a little bit set up on my new project, so then I can use my actual camera. So yes. Anyway, so until next time, thank you for watching. And if you are going back to school, or you just started going back to school and all that kind of stuff, then good luck, have fun, don't take it so seriously, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Until next time, bye.